Chair, thank you. I'm going to ask my first question to all three the members that spoke, the guests that spoke. And the first one would be that, first of all, do any one of you believe that your employment status is in danger for appearing here today? That's the first question to all three. The other question I have is to Mr. Sulani specific. Give them to answer the question. Okay.
There's a question to all of you. Do you think, please repeat the question to them directly.
Yeah, just a very direct response because I've got other questions. Do you believe that appearing here today is putting your employment status in danger? If so, why? Start with Ms. Ngwenya, Ms. Samani, and then Mr.
Thank you, Honourable Member. I will not necessarily say it puts the employment status in jeopardy. But when you are a senior member of government, trust is central to the type of relationship that must exist. And somehow, the participation in this process may have fractured.
That's enough. We have 7 minutes and we've got many questions to Ms. Samani.
Thank you, Honourable Member. No, I don't believe me appearing here put jeopardy to my contract. Thank you.
Mr. Sir.
I think, Honourable Member, I'm not quite convinced by any chance when you are accounting publicly, being called to Parliament, it would put any danger of employment. And by the way, the minister has been released yesterday, so I'm a political appointee, so I'm unemployed technically. So there's no danger. There can't be any danger on something I don't have.
Okay, so, well, in your future endeavours, sir, can you please explain to us, you actually went with Mr. Luvo Makazi to Advocate Terry Matau to, I assume, to convince him to participate or be the chairperson. Who is Mr. Luvo Makazi and why did he go with you? What role was he playing in this whole panel thing?
Thank you, Honourable Member, for that question. Let me start here. So Luvo Makasi is an admitted attorney that many years back was studying at UWC. I was also studying at UWC. And would happen to be in the same church denomination. The PAL branch is in the Eastern Cape.
I don't want to be rude. I want to know why he went with you. And why did you ask him in what capacity was he attending?
I'm attempting to respond, Honourable Member.
Taking a long dive. I don't want to hear the past. I want to know why he went. He's not working for the department, or was he?
Okay. So when the decision to appoint Advocate Terry was taken, I would have needed someone that is in the legal fraternity because it was difficult to get hold of Advocate Terry because of his schedule. So the only reason that Mr. Makasi was there was to facilitate that first interaction with Advocate Terry because they are both in the legal fraternity. So when I asked around, you would have said, no, I've worked with Advocate Terry in the legal space before. So he was solo there to be able to facilitate an interaction. He's not a part of the department. He did not even partake on the conversation. It was only introductory. And again, the nature of that meeting was purely introductory. There was nothing sensitive, extensive spoken about. It was just to be able to add the name and the face so that I can be able to liaise with Advocate Terry and be able to communicate with him later because they are both in the legal fraternity.
So, Chair, to you, sir, so there's no payment required because he was not acting in his professional capacity, yes or no?
No, there was no payment. he would have been someone that knows advocate. And that's solo the responsibility that he had.
My other question, Chairperson, through you, is that I would like to ask all three of the guests, did any of you, by any chance, because you all responded in a way to say you were there in your already employed capacity when you were asked, received these letters, did any of you received emails prior to any of these meetings where you were summoned to attend, received any emails from the DG or any other official or office in this department not to attend, to protect your boss, and that the PC run by this chair, let's say, was postponed and not taking place? Yes or no? Let's go. Ms. Ngwenya, Ms. Amani, Mr. Solani.
No, there was no instruction not to attend. But with my apology of the previous meeting, I provided the context.
We did receive that letter, it's
which
fine. Yeah, I just wanted a yes or no, because there were emails floating. Ma'am Samani?
Thank you, Honorable Member. No, I did not attend the meeting because I was off sick. Thank you.
My question is not that. Did you receive emails, whether you adhere to them or not?
No, I did not.
Thank you, Honorable Member. No, I did not receive any email of that nature.
Then, Chair, in conclusion, I would just like to ask, there was a question raised on Friday that the list was emailed to the Minister and the DG was CC. Did he receive the list via email? Because he just said he didn't see the list or was involved. So I just wanted to have a yes or no of the independent panel.
Okay. I never saw that list. I've never received any email. I never even knew who would eventually be in that list. I accepted the fact that the law doesn't allow me to appoint board chairs. And if I were to be part of any panel, it would be at the discretion of the accounting authority. But if I was not part of it, I accepted that, because I knew that at some point when the panel has been appointed, or when the chairpersons are appointed, then I will come. See, there's one thing in the law that is a problem. I sign SLAs with chairpersons, but I don't appoint them. So when they perform their duties, they don't see a need to account to me, because I'm not there, I've never appointed them. And I think that's what we're trying to fix in the amendments to the legislation. Whether I liked it or not, I would not be part of the appointment of this panel or be part of the processes that are there unless I am asked to do so. And in this case, I was never asked, and because I was never asked to do so, but I was aware that processes are moving, because the accounting authorities whose task it is by law to do so was handling the matters. So I think, Honorable Member, I trust I tried to.
Yeah. No, you tried.